This group has come for service. Baba is speaking to those who are filming. Baba is asking you, all four of you stand up in a line. All four of you. Show yourselves to everyone. Are you happy about doing service? This type of service? Are you happy with it? You are very courageous, aren't you? What will happen? How will it happen? Don't think like that. It is good and good will happen. Understood? Any task which you do with an elevated consciousness, that task is always good. Therefore, never think that we don't know what will happen. Well, you know that whatever will happen will be good. Did you understand? It is good. You have kept very good courage. In a place where there is courage, their help is received automatically. Okay. Well, if Baba keeps on speaking, the whole night will pass. This one is also doing very good service. Is it not? I think Baba is talking to Usha of South Africa. Usha of South Africa, she is small but she is very courageous. And Dadi Janki says, yes, she is very brave. You are small but very great. And Baba and Dadi Janki, that they have received your sustenance, is it not? South Africa has received Dadi Janki's sustenance. It is good. Everyone is serving from the heart, and that's what has to be done. Expansion is bound to take place. Baba is giving drishti to Janki Dadi. Baba is asking Dadi Ji that when you and Dadi Janki meet, then what do you experience? And Dadi Janki is saying, Baba, what do you feel at that time when we meet? And Baba says, yes, the father likes it very much. But what do you feel? And Dadi Janki says, yes, Baba, it's a good pair. Country, Bharat and foreign countries both come together when Dadi Ji and Dadi Janki meet. you are separate and still you are together.
ये भी ड्रामा में part है.
This also is a part in the drama. Dadi Janki finds it difficult to hear, so she prefers to sit with Baba.
इसको थोड़ा हटा के पीछे.
Close to Baba.
फिर भी ब्राह्मण परिवार के फाउंडेशन है ना.
After all, you are the foundation of the Brahmin family.
आप लोगों को भी अच्छा लगता है ना.
And all of you like it, no? Don't you? When you see the Dadi sitting on the stage with Baba.
दादा अपने निमित्त फाउंडेशन वाली आत्माओं को अपने से भी आगे.
Bap Dada keeps the souls who have been the foundation of the yajna even ahead of him.
क्यों?
Why?
अभी देखो बाप तो है निराकार.
See, Baba is incorporeal. God is incorporeal. And Brahma Baba has also attained the angelic stage.
सुनना पड़े.
But who are there to hear
देखना पड़े.
everyone, see everyone,
ना पड़े.
give everyone in the Lokik, in the corporeal form? It is these dadis, no?
और सहज चल रही है. ये देख
And everything is running so smoothly with them. This is what you all appreciate, don't you? You all are happy to see everything going on very smoothly, is it not? Aren't you all happy? Dadi is telling Baba right from the beginning, pairs have been there. So after Sakar Baba, Dadi and Didi, and now Dadi Ji and Dadi Janki.
बहुत हो गई नकली.
I don't know what Dadi Janki told Baba.
देखो आप द्वारा ये विदेश सेवा नौकरी हुई थी.
See, you were to be instrumental for starting foreign service. And this is why nobody can change the drama.
और निमित्त बनना.
The question came, who will start foreign service? Who will take the responsibility? And you were given the responsibility. So is it not necessary? It is necessary, don't you think, to have this responsibility? And Dadi is saying, but Baba is responsible. And Baba says, of course, Baba cannot be separated from you. He is actually glued with you. He is bound with you, glued actually with you. Baba's using that word. Stuck with you. He can't come out.
सारा दिन आप लोगों को बाबा बाबा ये कहते, बाबा ये करते, बाबा
Whole day you say, don't you? Baba says this, Baba has done this, Baba does this. How many times you have to say this? So, and Dadi is saying that people also do believe that it's Baba who's doing it, because they themselves say yes, it's Baba, and others, and Baba saying yes, others remind you that Baba is doing it, so it makes you remember Baba easily too, is it not?
और बाबा बाबा कह के उसको हंसा देते।
If somebody comes weeping to you, you tell that person Baba, 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 and you make him laugh, don't you?
ठीक है,
Is everything okay? Baba is asking Chandramani Dadi.
देखो बहुत छोटा सा ग्रुप है, लेकिन बहुत काम का है।
See, this group is a small group, but it is a very valuable group, doing a lot of work. See how few you are. How few you are. You can be counted on your fingers.
आज नहीं,
And Ram Shlok Bhai says, mean 4 dadis. Not 8, Baba is asking. And Dadi is telling Baba, Baba, we will be also having our Diamond Jubilee. And Baba says, yes, it is the Diamond Jubilee year.
लेकिन इस बारी बाप दादा
But this time,
नंबर देंगे,
Baba will give numbers.
रियल में कितने बने,
And Baba will say how many become real diamonds.
देखें विदेश जीतता है,
Let's see who wins. Bharat wins or foreign lands win. Who are more in number?
इसमें भी
Whether Bharat diamonds are more or foreign diamonds are more. And in that too, who claim a higher number? The youth claim a high number, or the householders claim a high number, or the Kumaris claim a high number. And Dadiji says the youth take a high number in everything.
बाप दादा को तो खुशी है, जो भी नंबर
And Bap Dada is happy, whoever may take the number in the front.
क्योंकि अपने आप सिर्फ कहेंगे मैं तो ठीक हूँ नहीं,
But the only thing is that maybe you may say, I'm fine, I'm okay, but others should give your certificate.
साथियों का
Your companions in service should give the certificate that you are okay.
देखें कितने निकलते हैं.
Bap Dada will see how many real diamonds Baba gets. And Dadi is telling Baba, Baba, Madhuban, Gyan Sarovar, both have become houseful. They're on the sleeping on the floor. And Dadi is wondering if more come, as more are expected. Where will they be accommodated? One there, the foundation stone will be laid because a hall will be built there for 25,000 people. And Baba says, yes, it's good. The expansion is bound to take place.
अच्छा आज
Baba is calling. Those sitting in the cabin, are you okay?
बोले नहीं हमको बाप दादा दिखते ही नहीं.
Those sitting in the cabin complain that we can't see Bap Dada. So all of you will get totally on your seats. Please remain seated.
Shiru está explicando que todos recibieron todo y todos están sentados, así que se queden sentados.
So the program for double foreigners who are staying at Gyan Sarovar is that after Bap Dada leaves and Gulzar Dadi returns, double foreigners who are staying in Gyan Sarovar will go back to Gyan Sarovar and have their dinner there. So dinner here is only for those who are staying here. After Bap Dada leaves,
सतयुग में तेरा प्यार हो, सतयुग में तेरा प्यार कहाँ मिलेगा.
this is a very nice song. Baba said in the Murli that you sing a song in which you say, Baba, what we get in at Sangam Yug and what we get in Satyug, and so many things we won't get in Satyug which we get at Sangam Yug. For example, the song says, though we will be living in palaces of gold and studded with diamonds, but we will not get the happiness of Sangam Yug.
और आप सभी को टोली मिलेगी. जब तक बाबा हैं तब तक सभी भाई बहनें बैठे रहेंगे. Those who are standing, you are requested to sit down. We will be seated here till Baba is here and we will enjoy.
Baba, how will we forget, Baba, the great love you have given to us? At Dadi is showing mangoes to Baba. This is a beautiful song. Very beautiful song.
भाई बहनें बैठे रहें.
Baba,
नहीं रहे.
you keep on giving us drishti in this way.
जाएं. जो पीछे खड़े हैं वे बैठ जाएं. और जिन भाई
Baba,
बहनों को अभी तक टोली नहीं मिली
you
है,
keep
वे
on
हाथ
giving us drishti in this way so that we keep ourselves absorbed in the ocean of happiness. Baba, not even for a moment should our eyes close, so that
दरवाजे के पास जो भी भाई खड़े हैं वो कृपया बैठ जाएं।
we fill ourselves
दरवाजे के पास
with your love.
भाई बैठ जाएं।
नहीं आ गए हैं, वो खुद ही आएंगे, वो खुद ही आ रहे हैं।
Thank you, Baba, 100,000 times. For making us belong to you, Baba. Baba, keep on meeting us in this way all the time. Baba, in every kalpa, we will bind ourselves in this love. No matter how much Maya may try to harass us, but we will never be defeated. So, Krina Ben and Lota Ben are presenting the self-management quality file to Baba, and Krina Ben is giving news of the management course.
बेमिसाल कर दिया, बेमिसाल कर दिया हो तो बाबा आपने कमाल कर दिया हमारे बाबा.
Oh, this is Ramesh Bhai, a photographer who has made some pictures. I think they are of Gyan Sarovar pictures.
खुशहाल कर दिया, हाँ खुशहाल कर दिया हो बाबा आपने कमाल कर दिया, प्यारे बाबा आपने कमाल कर दिया, उम्मीद है बाबा आपने.
करूं कैसे बाबा, ये दिल हर पल गाता रहता एहसान तुम्हारा हो बाबा, बदली हमारे
से तुलना करूं तुम्हारी, तुलना करूं तुम्हारी. रचता है तू सभी का, रचता है तू सभी का, रचना है सब तुम्हारी, रचना है सब तुम्हारी, तू है जहां से न्यारा, तू है जहां से न्यारा। उपमा नहीं जहां में, उपमा नहीं जहां में, तुम सा हसीन बाबा। नजरें पड़ी जो तुम पर, नजरें पड़ी जो तुम पर, हटने का नाम ना ले, हटने का नाम ना ले। पलकों के डाल पर दे, पलकों के डाल पर दे, दिल में कहीं छिपा ले, दिल में कहीं छिपा ले। खो जाए तुझ में बाबा, खो जाए तुझ में बाबा, लौटे ना इस जहां में, लौटे ना इस जहां में, तुम सा हसीन बाबा। माशूक प्यारा है तू, माशूक प्यारा है तू, आशिक है सारी दुनिया, आशिक है सारी दुनिया। तू प्यार का समंदर, तू प्यार का समंदर, हम तो तुम्हारी नदियाँ, हम तो तुम्हारी नदियाँ। तुझ में समा के बाबा, तुझ में समा के बाबा, तुझ सा बने जहां में, तुझ सा बने जहां में, तुम सा हसीन बाबा। ये प्यार है रूहानी, ये प्यार है रूहानी, दुनिया क्या जाने इसको, दुनिया क्या जाने इसको। है इश्क ये हकीकी, है इश्क ये हकीकी, इसकी खबर है किसको, इसकी खबर है किसको। पल भर का वह भी झूठा, पल भर का वह भी झूठा, है प्यार इस जहां में, है प्यार इस जहां में, तुम सा हसीन बाबा कोई नहीं जहां में, कोई नहीं जहां में। तुमने हंसी बनाया, तुमने हंसी बनाया, हमको भी इस जहां में, हमको भी इस जहां में, तुम सा हसीन बाबा, तुम सा हसीन बाबा, तुम सा हसीन